right, everybody, here's your core bites, number 163. The first one says the difference of two numbers is 12. Their quotient is 2. What are the numbers? So you've got to take them, subtract, get 12. Then you've got to divide them and get 2. Okay? So 12 minus 2 is 10. It's not going to work. 24 minus 12 is 12. So maybe 12 minus 6 would be 6. 20 minus 8 would be 12. So maybe. All right, so then if you divide them, 24 divided by 12 is 2. 20, you can't divide it by 8. Okay, so your best answer, your only answer is B. For number 2, what number is represented by the model here? So we have the large cube, which would be 1,000. Each of these is 100. Okay, so your answer would be 1,400. Which sign makes the sentence true? So you have 2/3 plus 2/3 is something to 1. So if you add 2 plus 2, you're going to get 4/3. 3/3 is 1, right? So here you'd have 1 1/3. 1 1/3 is larger than 1. So it would be greater than. So your answer would be B. For 4, how much money does Jessica need to buy a table, 2 chairs, and a bench? Okay. So a table, $289.95. 2 chairs, and then 1 bench. Okay. So if you add all that up, and let us know if you need help, guys, but if you add all of that up, you're going to get $549.84. Okay? For the next one, it says to sketch a pair of intersecting lines. So as long as you don't make them perpendicular, and as long as you don't make them parallel, you're okay. So any kind of intersecting lines, you're good to go. Okay? So check yours and let us know if you have any questions.